In this video, let me show you how to fix Discord connection timeout. So if you're facing this issue within the Discord application, the first thing that you can immediately do is try to resolve the network latency spikes, meaning what you can do is just toggle on the airplane mode on your device, wait for 10 seconds and then turn it off again. This helps to reset your network connection and try to see if this fixes the issue. Also try to switch to your network from your cellular data to your Wi-Fi or vice versa if it may be the cause of your network. But however, if none of these solutions are working out for you and if none of these are your cases, then what you need to also ensure is that you have disabled any sort of VPNs or ad blockers within your device. If you have enabled them, make sure you disable and also try to clear out the app cache. So simply head over, tap and hold the application, head over to the eye icon within the Discord settings, head over to storage and cache, and make sure that you tap on the clear cache option. If you're on an iOS device or on an iPhone, you'll need to head over to your iPhone storage and then offload the application. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.